Hi, this is Greg and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we're going to be taste testing this Geffner Atemoya. Atemoya is a cross between a sugar apple and a cherimoya, and they tend to grow much better up here in Florida than cherimoyas do. And Geffner is one of the more common, but one of the better cultivars out there. It's pretty popular, it's not hard to find, and it's usually pretty good. So we're going to give it a try here.
You can show the inside of the fruit. Oh, you're handing me the spoon first. That was so nice of you to finally be thoughtful for once.
I won't touch mine until you finish yours.
Everybody stop hating on Craig. This set like a lot of fruit.
Yeah,
and I didn't hand pollinate anything.
Ooh, that's good.
You took the first bite again. You know?
No, you're pretty
Too slow.
Very good flavor.
Oh, wow.
But it's got a little bit of a grittiness to it. Not strong. A lot of Atemoyas do.
But I like the little bit of acidity that it has. But it's super sweet. Like it tastes like you sprinkled sugar on a regular
It's
Atemoya.
It's a little bit. If you've never had it before, somewhere between banana and pineapple. It's juicy.
That's a really good one.
This is really good.
I'm really surprised. This is my first time having a Geffner.
I've had a Geffner before, but it was a long time ago, and I don't remember particularly liking them. I didn't hate it, but and there's not a whole lot of seeds in there for this being a pretty big piece of fruit.
There's more seeds than in a dream, though. It feels like it's... That's a really good flavor.
Flesh is very melting. It's an Annona, so it does have a little bit of the guanabana in there, which is a good thing.
Like more than the dream does. Mm-hmm. But there is grittiness near the skin, which
there's a little bit of grit. Is it more near the skin?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like the dream, you can eat the whole fruit. And this, it's almost like you leave a layer against the skin.
Yeah, I scraped the first one. I did get some of the near the skin. And it does have some grittiness to it. It's not terrible, but...
There's a nice acidity to sweet ratio.
Yeah, that's really good.
That's pleasant.
That's very...
It's tropical tasting.
Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, the little seed parts come out.
You know a fruit is good when you eat it, and you know how many are left on your tree, and you realize I'm not selling any of these.
Yeah.
Because I could see you taking these to work for breakfast, No?
No. You know me and fruit, I don't share.
I meant just for you for breakfast. Okay. You share.
That is very good. So, it's not a guanabana.
No. But it's as close as we have in our yard right now.
So I can't give it a 10 for an Annona because it's not a guanabana. To get a 10 for an Annona.
Yeah, but this is really good. I'm really surprised. This is very good.
This is the best Atemoya I've ever had. Of course, it's also winter, and during the winter time, all your fruit tastes better because there's just not much of it.
That's
true. So you appreciate it more.
And this might be a particularly good one. We hit it at the right moment.
I wanted to eat this one yesterday, and she said, no, one more day. So, okay. She was right. One more day. That was perfect. Atemoyas are pretty easy to grow.
Don't let them dry out.
They don't want to dry out. We do have I believe I've been told it's a wasp, I don't know, some type of insect that gets in and causes mummification of the fruit. It dries up, mostly that's just down in real southeast Florida, I think, that has that, most of that.
Painter has a lot.
Okay, so both coasts. But you can bag, and we bag almost all of ours now. We use little mesh bags and put over them. And when the root's right, it falls down into the bag, and we just, or the bag falls
It's really
off.
convenient. I went around today and I tied the bags onto the branches so they won't fall to the ground.
So they'll just hang down, and that's when you know they're ready. Yep. So anyway, an excellent fruit. It's right now it's January, and they're ripe, so it's something you can get during the winter. And I definitely recommend it. I'd give that one. That's a 9 out of 10.
It's a 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
If the skin wasn't gritty,
Yeah.
maybe 8.5, just because of the gritty skin.
Yeah. And it's not an iguanaba. So.
Yeah, 8.5. Solid 8.5.
Yeah. I agree. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.